I'm obsessed. I love them. Hey, what's up? It's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Yay! Okay, today we are doing bling nails. So, you know when you go to the nail salon, you have to pay like $10 to $14 a nail per design, per how many crystals you get on your nails, and I want them really crystally, so I'm gonna do it myself. I went on Amazon, I found a really awesome nail kit, and it comes with over 1,000 crystals. It has everything you need to do your nails. So let me tell you, this little wax pen pencil thingy-majigger is amazing, and it made it so easy. So let's get started on blinging out our nails. So this is the kit. It comes with the wax pencil, it comes with the crystals, here we have the really tiny tweezer, and then a bunch of pretty shapes, and they're so sparkly. I'm obsessed. And it comes in that awesome case that has numbers on them, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different sizes. I got a brand new set of clear tipped acrylics and had them just put a little coat of nail polish on top that had sparkles in it. As you'll see, I'm using so much of this. I'm globbing it on top because my nails are really curvy and those are flat back crystals, so I have to go ahead and put it around and let it kind of seep in where it was kind of like lifting off the edge. And then I am putting each little rhinestone around. So start with the big one, and then, see, here you go. Half of your time is going to be flipping the crystals back around to the right side so you can pick them up. That's what takes the longest, not the actual design, but getting the crystals back to the right side. So for this super featured nail, I am doing the big crystal first, and then I am placing all the little ones around it to accentuate the big beautiful one. And then if you need to, just finagle them because it still is wet. It doesn't dry super fast, but dries pretty good, but not super fast. So you can still work with it. Don't worry about it freezing into place because you can finagle if you mess up. I'm placing another featured oval stone on the tip of that, and then I am going ahead and accentuating it with the smaller rhinestones again, like I did to the top one. Just keep working around, finagling them and getting them into place. And then I'm adding more because it kind of dries, but like I said, keep globbing it on. And then I'm putting a flat, longer crystal. I've never seen ones like that before, so I decided to add them. I thought it looked cool on the side of my nail. I'm now taking smaller rhinestones and all the open spaces where you see I am just fitting them in wherever I can find little spots and making all the bald spots look blingy and complete. And then I'm putting a bunch more by my cuticles. Don't worry, I'll fix that on my skin later, and filling that in there. So sparkly, obsessed, and it makes my nails look even more round and curvy like I like them. I'm putting on that clear coat, and then I'm taking the biggest crystals in the set and lining them down the side of it. And then I'm going to the bottom. For that second row, I'm kind of putting them in between the other crystals so they're not lined up properly with that first row. And then I do the same thing, and I'm kind of making a pyramid pattern. For the little itty bitty baby nail, I am putting on smaller crystals, and then I'm putting them around kind of like a U-shaped, and then I fill them in. And for this one, I decided I'm just going to cover up where you can actually see my real nail underneath, and made it come to a little point, and I think it looks cute. I'm using the second smallest crystals on this one, and I'm putting on the perimeter and then working my way in. And then I'm filling up the little spots around the diamond, and then I'm finishing up the inside of it. And I'm using all the same size rhinestones for this one besides the gem in the middle. For this one, I'm taking those flat long ones, and then I'm putting 3 of them to kind of make a little spiky looking thing. Putting 3 of those there, and then I'm putting a bigger crystal in the middle,
And then I'm finishing off with smaller crystals around the outside and fitting them in wherever I can find space, covering up my real nail underneath so you don't see any of that.
I'm absolutely obsessed with these sparkles. I'm loving how they came out. My AB crystals are still blinging. So now you guys know how easy this is to do it yourself. Save your money. You could do it, just practice. If you don't get it right the first time, just keep on practicing. So obviously you saw this was life-changing. It picks up the crystals, puts it where you want it. And I have so many crystals left, and I use $2 out of my $7.99, maybe, not even. And I have a full entire set of blinged out nails. Yay! These were amazing on my New Year's Eve extravaganza, so I was loving it. I've gotten so many compliments on these nails. So hopefully you guys like this short little video of me blinging out my nails finally on camera for you guys. Maybe I'll try another technique next time, like the UV gel. Maybe I'll try that next time. I'll put an Amazon link for this kit I got, which is actually an Amazon affiliate link. Yay! I'm actually making a little money now, finally. Little itty-bitty percentage. So everything I get from Amazon goes straight back to Amazon because I buy more stuff to make more content for you. So, full circle moment, I guess. Win-win. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. I love you, and I will see you on the next. Bye! Hold on. Forgot. Comment. Love to hear them. Give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends. And subscribe.
I wanted to show you, I put all the crystals in one side, and then I put all the shapes on the top part. I forgot to say, do not put any top coat on top of the crystals. They will no longer be sparkly anymore. Just a warning.